Girl.
It ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.
Let's
not even talk about it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be doing another natural hair tutorial, and this hairstyle does not require any heat at all whatsoever. I'm just going to let you guys know I did already prep my hair for the most part, everything pretty much except for the braid. And when I get back home, I'm just going to show you guys how I preserve the style so you guys can see how I go about twisting my hair to make sure that it blends with the clip-ins. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this super cute, easy look that literally took me less than 10 minutes, then keep on watching.
Okay, so we're just not even going to discuss the back of my head. Yes, we are. These braids are like a week old. It was time for me to wash my hair, and I just, you know, it is what it is. My head was looking crazy in the back. Anyways, so I'm putting my hair into a ponytail. I don't think you guys really need a tutorial on how to do a ponytail. However, the twist that I use to the hair bands that I use to secure my ponytail, if I can find a link for them, I will definitely leave them down below in the description bar. They are amazing. I get them from Walmart, and I want to say they're like $1 and some change for 2 of them, and they've just been like a game changer for me. They're nice and sturdy. I can pull them as tight as I want to, and they don't pop on me, nor do they sag my hair, so that's like a really, really big win. Now, after I secure my ponytail, you guys are going to see in a second here where I grab my water bottle, and I do fill that with my Garnier leave-in conditioner as well as warm water to help detangle my hair, and then I will be twisting that hair at the top that I'll be using for my braid to get it out of the way while I'm working on my clip-in section. So my clip-ins are from none other than obviously my baby Vivant Tresses. You guys will see here in a second, and this is what it looks like when they're like dry. They literally match my type 4B. Really is more 4C, 4B more so in the back, but it matches my hair perfectly when it's in like its twist out state. So that's why I have like those 4 big, well, they're not really big, but those 4 2-strand twists up top. It looks so good. I will say the only mistake that I made during this tutorial was actually wetting the hair, which you guys are going to see that I'm going to do here in a second once I'm done applying all the clip-ins. But oh yeah, these are the Kinky curly clip-ins. Like, my thoughts are all over the place. This is kind of why I hate doing voiceovers, but you know, nonetheless. Anywho, I really wish that I would not have wet the clip-ins, because if that's the case, the style would have came out perfect like it's been doing all week. But I just wanted to kind of refresh them, and obviously doing this video was not the time to do that. But you guys see how full and just thick it looks, and I still had like 3 clip-ins left, and this is just 1 set of clip-ins. So yeah, if you guys are gonna do this hairstyle, pre-wash the clip-ins so that way when it's time to install them, all you have to do is brush them out, because it didn't really turn out the way that I wanted it to, because the clip-ins were still a little bit damp, so they didn't get as full and as big as they did in the initial video when they were just, you know, warm, and you guys could see obviously how nice and full they look when they were dry. So with that being said, after I grabbed this argan oil, the one and only argan oil, to saturate my twist, I literally just go in and I moisturize the twist from root to tip, and yeah, I just unsaturate it and I kind of blend those 2-strand twists into the leave out. It's fairly simple. If you guys need a detailed video the next time I wear these clip-ins, I'll try to make sure that I show you guys the process of me prepping this hairstyle.
Okay, so now that the clip-ins are in and my edges are done, the last thing I'm going to use this Marley hair, and I'm going to do a nice cute little jumbo braid. This is the 100% Kanekalon Fumi collection Kinky twist braid, so it's the original Marley hair, and as you guys can see, pretty much matches the texture of this hair. So the trick to getting the hair longer is obviously to pull the ends down, so that way, you know, it's not so uniformed. And because it was already separated into two, that actually just made my job a lot easier. Take another hair tie that's like super tight, and I'm gonna bring it under the hair and then make like a little fake little knot with it. All right, so now that I have that there, the next thing I'm gonna do is put that ponytail and wrap it around my little ponytail. So now that I've made that into a ponytail, the first thing I'm gonna do is separate my hair into 3 pieces, because I do need to hide my hair. And then I'm gonna separate the weave into 3 pieces as well.
I do not recommend this brand of Marley hair at all. I'm gonna have to do my research, because sis, this was not it. If y'all only knew how many times I had to cut through this braid, take the braid out, redo it, retuck, reposition my hair. Like, all I wanted to do was have a nice cute braid, tuck my natural hair under it, so that way it was hiding my actual hair. Y'all, oh my God. It literally took me maybe about 25 minutes to get this braid done, because the hair was getting so matted. Like, y'all, it was pissing me off so bad. I couldn't even keep the clip of me trying to explain to y'all how to braid, because I was so busy trying to untangle and like unmat the hair, that it was just like, you know what, let me just turn the audio off completely. I don't really know how to explain it other than crossing over and tucking. But yeah, like, my whole goal and the whole goal with this hairstyle should be to be able to tuck your natural hair under whatever braiding hair you're using, so that way it camouflages the hair or blends in perfectly. But yeah, if you guys need extra videos on like knowing how to braid, I'm not the person for it. It's just something that's in me. I don't really know how to explain how to do it. But yeah, finish watching me braid this hair down to the end, and the audio from the video is going to jump in here in just a second.
So these little rugged ends, just to try and make sure that it's not like, I don't know, weird shit. Ugh. Have these. Braid it down to the end.
To finish off the look, I'm using this braid jewelry. I also picked this up from the hair store as well, and it was like, I think $1.99, but they were fairly easy to use. And this is what the jewelry looks like. It's like, you know, just this little tribal marking, and literally you just open up the clasp, clamp them around any area of the braid. And the last thing that really made me hate this hair, it was so hard to expand it and like make the braid bigger. So all in all, I love the style, but I definitely do not recommend this brand of Marley hair. It was like complete trash.
And this is it for the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I feel like the braid was just the touch that it was missing. As I told you guys, I was wearing it with a top knot, but I really love this braid. Like, I think that the Marley hair was like a really good idea. I just hate how like nappy it gets, because it's hard for me to braid Kanekalon hair. Like, I don't have the patience to do it anymore. So I'll probably just go with like a different texture of hair whenever I decide to do the braid over. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed to my channel, like, what are you waiting on? Subscribe now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video.
This ain't no heaven, darling, down far away till I'm staying here, but I need to change. You're supposed to place yourself